madagdagan pa at ma-improve yung Biluna para sa mga pangailangan ng pasyente at sa lahat ng pang-araw-araw tulad ng mga gagamitan.
Tapos yung electric fan, puro sira, inaayos pa.
Umikot po ako sa ibang mga ward. Maganda po yung mga improvements na nagawa dito sa AFP. Pero siguro po, dagdagan po ng space kasi medyo masikip po sa mga kwarto. Tapos kulang po ng ventilation kasi medyo mainit rin po. So kung ano po pong magagawa natin para maging mas komportable yung mga bata, sana pong magawa pa natin dito sa AFP.
Yellow diamonds in the light. Now we're standing side by side as a shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I've gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. 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 Shine a light through an open door. Love a life, I will be right. Turn away, 'cause I need you more. Feel the heartbeat in my mind. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I've gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place.
Binibigay ni Sir na para sa amin lahat at maraming salamat at malaking tulong sa amin yan. Lalo-lalo na sa panahong ganito na kailangan namin ng kunti kahit papanong kasiyahan at yung kalungkutan namin ay maibsan dahil kay Chief of Staff. Maraming salamat, Sir.
Maraming salamat po. At sana po patuloy po niya na suportahan kaming mga pasyente dito sa Biluna.
Kaya nagpapasalamat po kami sa ating Chief of Staff at palagi po nila kaming binibisita dito kasi yung presence po kasi ng isang commander natin, iba yung impact niya sa tropa, ma'am. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami ng lubos po, ma'am.
Pagpatuloy lang niya yung ginagawa niya. Kasi nakita namin na yung ginagawa niya para sa amin. Sana pagtubayan siya ng Panginoon sa ginagawa niya araw-araw dahil kaming mga sundalo, mga pasyente dito sa loob ng Heroes Ward, natutulungan niya sa pamamagitan ng pagbigay sa amin ng mga kasangkapan dito sa loob. Maraming salamat, Sir, sa pagtulong niyo sa amin.
Sir, in behalf of our Chief of the Food and Dietary Service, Major Richie Capulong III, together with our personal and civilian employees, we are so grateful for the 1 million fund support for use in the procurement of equipment and utensils of the service. Definitely, sir, it would be a good start for the continuous enhancement and upgrade of our services being catered to the patients of the AFP Medical Center. Once again, sir, thank you and God bless.
Sa ngalan po ng mga kasamahan ko sa aming pong departamento, taos puso po kami nagpapasalamat sa inyo pong proyekto na pagpapalawig ng aming Hospital Information System upang mas makapagbigay po kami ng mas modernong serbisyo sa ngalan po ng pamamahalang administratibo para sa ating kasundaluhan. Maraming salamat po, Sir Jess.
For 75 years now, the AFP Medical Center, the only medical center and medical service training ground in the AFP, has been responding to the health needs of men and women of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, especially our soldiers who have been injured fighting to maintain peace in our country and protecting the sovereignty of our nation. We are giving our services to the patients from all AFP units deployed in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. This endeavor of supporting the health needs of our men and women in uniform and their dependents cannot be totally possible without the equal support of our AFP leadership and other concerned organizations and even individuals. In line with this, we would like to thank the people who have been supporting us. Our heartfelt gratitude goes to the Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines, General Jessie D. Del Llosa, AFP, and the AFP Ladies Club headed by Mrs. Del Llosa. Thank you very much, Ma'am and Sirs, for helping us respond to the needs, especially our patients. Again, thank you very much, Ma'am and Sir, and mabuhay po kayo.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Liz. God bless you!